Marx interpreted profit, interest and rent were derived entirely from the surplus value of the labor's toil, of what the workers have been robbed by the capitalist. According to Karl Marx, the capitalist system is nothing more than an evil scheme set up to exploit and rob the working class. His surplus value theory led Marx to the next step in his thesis. In order to meet the fierce competition, each capitalist tries to extract more and more surplus value from the worker by such devices as lengthening the hours or reducing the wages. Here Marx remains silent to show an alternate way to survive a fierce competition. According to Marx, the capitalist introduces more and more machines to eliminate labor and speed up production. By utilizing machinery which requires less physical strength to operate, man can be replaced by the cheaper labor of women and children. According to Das Kapital, the capitalist mutilate the labor into a fragment of man, degrading him to the level of an appendage of a machinery, and destroy every remnant of charm in his work, and turn the work into a hatred toil. Marx wrote the capitalist distort the condition under which a laborer works, subject him during the labor process to a despotism more hateful for its meanness. Karl Marx said, the capitalist transform a laborer's lifetime into a working time and drag his wife and children beneath the wheel of juggernaut of capitalism. Marx insists the installation of machinery to speed up and to increase production not only fails to ease the worker lot, but also cause unemployment, machines displacing man. The exploitation of women and children, overproduction of commodities and killing the worker's interest in his job. Karl Marx said that the steam engine was from the very first day an antagonist that enabled the capitalist to tread under her foot the growing claims of workmen. He said invention of machines threatened the newly born factory system into a crisis. Hatred towards capitalist system was so great that he gave the Malthusian theory a special twist. Marx says that overpopulation always follows in the path of capitalism. Karl Marx said overpopulation is encouraged by capitalists. They need an industrial reverse reserve army for period of great production expansion when new industries are being created or the old ones revived. Marx said that in nature of things, the surplus labor force must endure prolonged period of unemployment. Then appears the capitalism's greatest curse, depression and panics. Since the workers are paid bare subsistence, wages are unable to buy all the goods the factories pour forth. Market becomes glutted, labor force is reduced and severe depression ensures. Marx said, seeking outlet for his overstocked warehouses, the capitalist next turns to foreign fields and tries to find markets to backward, underdeveloped countries abroad to unload the commodities his own workers cannot afford to purchase. The endeavor of the capitalist and the search for raw material to keep the factories operating lead to international conflict and imperialistic war, as per Karl Marx. The ultimate outcome of capitalist strife and turmoil, Marx believes, is increased concentration and monopoly, for one capitalist always kills many.